are you, brother?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
Yeah, I am also fine. Thanks for asking. So I am very happy to see you here, and thanks for joining me. And today I want to discuss a topic, and
Yeah.
which topic is very favorite for you, means which is your favorite topic.
Yeah.
And I am going to talk about marriage. So which marriage do you like most? Do you like arranged marriage or love marriage?
Okay, thank you. Okay, it is nice to meet you too. Okay, Himanshu. So your question is which type of marriage do you like most?
Yes.
So, well, if it comes to marriage, then I think there should be only love marriage. There should be no other marriage in this world. Eh,
Oh my
now,
God.
yes. Now let me explain why. Because
Okay.
marriage should be on the basis of love, okay, and basis of respect of partners. If a girl
Yes.
respect a boy and a boy respect a girl, they want each other, then there
Yes.
should be marriage. There should be not a marriage like that when your parents want to bind with someone and as well as girl's parents want to bind her with you. I
Yes.
mean, you both of you are going to somehow binding each other, and it will become problem in future. And you can
Yes.
see in whole world, if you see the percentage of marriage people, a survey says that after marriage,
Yeah.
approx 70% people
Yeah.
get
Yep.
multiplied their misery two times. I mean, they become two times sadder than before.
Okay.
So, okay, this is the survey of the marriage, parental marriage that parent used to do with children,
Yes.
their
Yes.
children. So I
Definitely.
always agree with love marriage.
Okay. So, but you don't think so that arranged marriage is good?
I mean, I am not, contradicting that arranged marriage is not good. But I mean, there must have, assets between two partners. At least the girl should know you, and you should know the girls, and all of her behaviors. You should be, familiar with her behavior. She should be familiar with your behavior. If you like her, if she likes you, then it is very nice to do arranged marriage. I think nothing is better than that marriage. Okay,
Yes.
but in
I.
most of the circumstances, I
Yes.
see that parents used to, parents used to interfere the life of children. They only want to bind two girls and two boys together on the basis of richness and family status of the person.
Okay. So, but it also happened. I want to know, means if your partner is from the other religion and you are from the other, so it is very difficult, to survive in the society. What do you think about it?
Yes, I can understand the difficulties, okay, inter-religion marriage as well as
Yes.
inter-caste marriage, okay.
Yes.
But
Intercaste.
one thing is clear in my mind that if you love a girl, you should not see a religion, and you should not hear the other's word. You should try to,
Definitely.
you should try to live with her. You should try to marry with her. Okay. Why?
But I am agree with your point, but here is a problem. Suppose, मान लीजिए, we are Indians. So in India, it happens most of the time. You love her and she loves you. It is good, fine, everything is clear, and you are, But if you don't have job, you don't have career. So and you suppose you want to get married that girl, and after getting married, so your parents will not, accept you or your wife.
I mean,
So
if you are weak in this
if
world, if you are weak in this world by any way, then I think you can survive. So I will say you must make yourself so much uh,
strong.
skillful that you can tackle with any situation. I mean, when you are skillful, you have capacity to bring any girl with you. Then I think
Yes.
even your parents are interfering, and they are not understanding your truth that you love someone and she loves you, and they are trying to interfere. Then at this point I will say you to contradict your parents too, because he is not with truth. Truth is
Mm.
someone this that if let me explain one thing. Why do your parents want to involve you with someone other girls, not rather than the girls whom you love? What is problem? What is the problem with that girl
Because
that you
be,
wanted?
no, you want to get married that girl because you love her, but your parents will not, accept i- that girl as your wife, because what the society will say to them, your parents, the society will say to your parents that, yeah, your child is doing like this is not good. And so what do you think about it?
Yes,
If
I
other
can
people will
understand.
start to
I can understand
And,
one
and
thing
I
that
am also, yeah, I am also agree with this point already, because I know very well that what the society will say. So you will say to me, I know it very well that society will not give you food to eat.
okay. I mean,
Uh,
you should not depend on society, and your parents should also not depend on society. I mean, your father should be happy that nothing my son has
no,
done wrong, because
yeah,
yeah,
oh,
because my
but
father is loving a girl and he is, marrying with her. What is problem with her? Which religion they belong to? But you father and this society has no sense. Then I can do nothing for them. At least I mean, what is truth is truth. We should go with truth sometimes. That if I like or love a girl, I should marry with her anyway. Okay, whatever the society is saying, because society is not going to pay her food.
yes,
The
yeah,
society is not, yeah,
you-
the society is not going to bear the pain of your and hers. Okay, the society has no other than no, society has no other, work than mocking at someone.
yes,
Society has no
they can
other
only,
work than, seeing, bad thing in people. They would never wanted to show a good thing of anyone's. So I never care about society sometimes, because I wanted to make my own society. Okay,
uh,
if somebody want to follow me, he should follow. Otherwise, do not want to follow me, they should not
okay,
follow. If I have done something wrong, then I apologize for it. But I'm not doing something wrong at that point.
uh, okay, but because you are loving a girl, simple, yeah.
Yeah, simple. I'm loving a girl and I love her. She loves me, and it is better than someone else that will come in my life by my parents. So I think so.
So what do you think about it if some, girls' parents are like Amrish Puri, means father is
Okay.
like Amrish Puri. So what do you think? That
I
I will
mean,
kill that man.
in this world, you should not be worried about, your life, because wherever you wanted to do something extraordinary, then you will have to, risk your life. You will have to risk everything. Just like see any, army. Okay, you can see the
Yes,
army,
yes,
our
yeah.
Indian force or
Indian,
army.
yes,
What are they doing? They are always a 24-hour. His life
ours,
is
yeah,
on a stack. Okay, I mean
yes,
their life is on risk. After all, they are working for country, because that
yes,
I have to. It is truth to I have to uh, I have to save my country. Okay, from evil things. So that's
ours,
why they are even able to slay their life for this land. That's why you should also not be bothered about life sometimes. Okay, because only one phrase I'm forgetting right now. Luck favors the brave.
brave. Yes, you are. Fortune
Yeah,
favors the brave. Yeah.
brave. So that's all. You should be brave enough to do those things. Don't care about the. You have to tackle with whatever the outcomes will come. I will tackle it.
So I am 100% sure that you will get married to a girl whom you love a lot. Yes.
Okay, I am not certain that if I will find someone, she will love me or not in future. But I was
You,
loving the girl, and I don't know about her. She will marry me or not. I don't care about her, because I love to the heart of people. I don't love the
so,
body of people. If she will be ready to come with her
to
body,
live.
then it is right. If she will not come with her body, even it is right.
Oh,
It's all is
so
enough.
it's, yeah, I can say that this is your ill luck that if she will come with you or not, because you are ready to, marry with that guy, but
But
she
I
will
am
be
ready. I have
ready or
courage.
not.
But see, I am ready. I have courage to accept all those things from challenges from
So
society and religion and everything. But she would have not courage. Then what can I do? I cannot
yes,
bring a courage on her.
but you can
It's
make
totally up to
understand her.
her.
But you can make understand her because you love her. So definitely she will be ready after some time when you make
I
understand
don't
her
know.
clearly
I
that,
don't
yeah,
know.
I am with you. You can.
I still I think she is not ready. But in future, what will happen? I don't know. I'm trying to convince her, but I don't know what will happen, because she is so afraid of society. Even she care about me sometimes. That is, the society can do some harm
Yeah,
to me.
do harm
So
you. Yes, yes, definitely.
that's why she
Is
is not acting.
okay. Well, okay, that's fine. So, okay, thank you. Thanks for thanks
Okay,
for
thank
saying.
you very much to talking with you because I started the topic which is very burning for this world because people always wanted to be loved. Okay, but no one,
Yes.
when it comes to flourish the love in this world, no one allowed it. Everywhere,
Yeah.
if people would have allowed it, love in this world, I think this world would have been a better place to live right now. I mean,
Yes.
if you see all the songs of this world, they are related to love, love, love. All songs are always telling about love, love, love. But when it
Yes.
comes,
But
when it
when
comes
coming
really
the
in,
reality, yes. But when
yeah,
it comes in the reality, so people are ready to against it.
against, they are opposing it.
Yeah.
Okay, they don't. But if you see everybody, even an old man will be, singing a song of love everywhere. But
Yes.
nobody is trying to, flourish the love in this world. When it comes to marry, when two couples want to marry, they oppose always. So
Yes.
I think this society is totally fake.
Fake.
Okay, they
Yes.
are doing opposite to that are saying. They will sing
Yes.
a song of love and they will do
Yeah.
something else.
Yeah. Actually, they don't know the proper meaning of love. Yeah. That's why they do such type of things.
Okay. Thank you. I think we talked a lot. Okay, I have given the
Yes. Yes.
answer of your question. I don't
Yeah.
know what was the answer, but it was my own thought, and I live with my these thoughts. Okay.
You should live.
Yeah. So thank you very much giving me opportunity to talking with you, Himanshu.
Thanks. Thanks for joining me today. Okay. Bye.
Bye bye.